Alrighty friends, so today I'm going to try something new. I'm going to make some protein bars for the morning breakfast. So I've never done this before, but how hard could it be, right? So I'm just going to add in some of my strawberries that are left over, and I have a little bit of blueberries that are still in the freezer. And then I have some vanilla, and then I'm just going to follow the instructions for how much water I need to add to this. So stay tuned. Alright guys, this is what my batter looks like. I just used the entire box of the protein pancakes mix, and then I added in maybe a cup of frozen blueberries, and I mixed it together with the water, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my cookie sheet here, and add some strawberries on top. I'm going to slice some strawberries and place it on top to make it look good, so I'll be right back. Alrighty friends, so what I did was I just took the protein pancake mix with the chocolate chips already in it. I added the required amount of water that is needed. I added about a cup of frozen blueberries, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I took my leftover strawberries that were in the fridge and I just sliced those and put those on top. And this is all on my cookie sheet, my cookie pan with the parchment paper. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in a 425 oven for 15 minutes and I will be back. Alrighty guys, so I just took this out after 15 minutes in the oven and this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and let it cool, and I think it'll be good. I'll be able to slice these into like little squares, you know, for us in the morning, and I think it'll be really good and healthy for us. So I'm really happy about that. I did want to share something with you guys, something I just came across on YouTube. Another YouTuber had suggested this website and I wanted to share it with you guys, so just give me a second. Alrighty friends, so I'm sorry for my microphone. I don't have my microphone on today, and you can tell it's a big difference. It sounds like I'm underwater and I apologize. But I did want to share this with you guys. I don't know if you guys are aware, but that new, that weight loss drug, the GLP-1 or whatever, GoodRx just came out with their new savings, and I saw the email, and their prices are like $100 and something a month now versus like $700 or $1,000 a month. And I made a video on GoodRx. If you guys haven't seen the great savings that they offer, check out my video. But anyways, it's GoodRx came out and said that their new prices for the GLP-1 is like really cheap. It's like $145, $150 a month. And I'll be honest with you, I did not think that I would ever want to take that because of the possible side effects. But being that the price came down so dramatically, and it's not something I would stay on long term, it would just be to really get rid of the, you know, the hardest part of losing, you know, just to get me going again, because I'm stuck at 189. I've been at 189 for a few weeks now, and it's not, it's nobody's fault but my own, you know, no excuses, right? Dinner time has been my downfall. I try and log my calories throughout the day, and then by the time dinner comes, there's so many little ingredients and this and that that go into your meal that I just have not been logging, and yeah. Nighttime is my downfall. So, but anyways, that's not the point of this part of the video. I just wanted to share with you guys. Somebody had mentioned she's on GLP-1, and she says that she's maintaining her, she's really maintaining a high protein diet, because one of the side effects from the GLP-1 is your loss of muscle mass. And that is one thing that happens naturally as we age anyways, but just being on that drug, it makes it worse. So she has to keep up her proteins, and she said that there's a website, TDEE. It's a calculator you put in your stats, you know, and it tells you how much protein you should be taking in per day. And I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you were curious, not to do the GLP-1, but to just see that you're getting in enough protein, because that is key in losing weight, whether you're on GLP-1 or not. I've been trying to up my protein, but I'm going to be honest with you, I'm struggling with that a little bit too, because it's like, how much cottage cheese could one person eat? And I don't eat a lot of meat, so it's like, that's, you know, been my biggest struggle. That's why I decided to find other ways to incorporate protein. That's why I made this, the protein bars for you guys, because I wanted to share with you guys that there are other things that we can do to up our protein. But anyways, excuse me, long story short, here is the website, TDEE calculator. And it's free. You put in your metrics, your age, your weight, your height, your activity. And let me just show you guys. Let's see if I can do it here with you guys. And it just shows that, and I'm shrinking, guys, too. That's another thing. Yeah, I'm shrinking big time. Where am I? 5'6". I was 5'7". Now I'm 5'6", guys. I do a little bit of exercise, but I'm just going to put sedentary, just because I, you know, work on the computer quite often. And then you just hit calculate, and then it tells you, you know, what, you know, your calories per day are. And it's good to know that just to maintain it's 1745, because I've been trying to stay around 1200 calories, but clearly that's not always been the case since I'm struggling with the weight loss right now. But my goal is 1200 calories per day. But I just wanted to share with you guys, you know, all the stats that it has. Clearly it says I'm obese. I got the big O word. And then it shows you here, like if you were to just stay in maintenance mode, just to maintenance, it shows you all the different protein grams that you should strive for per day. But if you're cutting, which would be what I would be wanting to do, it just shows your protein, your fats, your carbs, and all of that, you know, where you should be at. So I just figured I'd share that with you guys. And it's, like I said, it's free. You can go on here, check it out, put your stuff in there, play around with the website, and it's just a good way to see where your fats and your carbs and your proteins should be at in order to lose weight. All right, guys, well, I hope everybody's doing well. If you like these kind of videos, would you please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you're trying to up your proteins as well. And thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, stay blessed.